Welcome to a new cottage chic style video where personalizing your home is a decision that only depends on your tastes, and the continuation of the home tour is in Jennifer's house. In the description you can find more details. Cottage chic incorporates elements of French vintage, shabby chic, and rustic vintage styles to create a cozy, romantic, and charming aesthetic. French vintage style is known for its elegance, sophistication, and ornate details, all of which lend a touch of refinement to cottage chic decor. Shabby chic brings in a sense of lived-in charm, with distressed wood, weathered finishes, and vintage-inspired pieces creating a relaxed, inviting atmosphere. Rustic vintage elements, such as natural materials, reclaimed wood, and simple, functional furniture, add a cozy, homespun feel that complements the other styles in cottage chic. By combining these three distinct styles, cottage chic strikes a perfect balance between elegance and comfort, creating a welcoming and cozy space with a touch of timeless beauty. Cottage chic refers to a style of decor that combines the charm and coziness of a cottage with chic and stylish elements. Pink tones in cottage decor are often associated with a feminine and romantic aesthetic, giving the space a soft and inviting feel. The use of pink in cottage decor adds a touch of sophistication and elegance, while still maintaining the cozy and quaint atmosphere of a cottage. The combination of traditional cottage elements with pink tones creates a look that is both charming and chic, hence the name cottage chic. The influence of cottage chic style in the home is a decoration that depends on personal preferences and individual taste because it is a style that emphasizes a cozy, relaxed, and nostalgic feel. This style is characterized by the use of vintage and repurposed furniture, floral patterns, soft color palettes, and natural textures. Therefore, the way in which one interprets and incorporates these elements into their home decor will vary based on their personal style and preferences. Some may choose to incorporate elements of cottage chic sparingly, while others may fully embrace the style in every aspect of their home decoration. Ultimately, the influence of cottage chic style in the home is a decoration that depends on the individual to create a space that reflects their personality and tastes.